Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Demarco with a song called Natty Morgan. Obviously, it's a diss to Shano. We see where Demarco dropped John Wick, and John Wick is an actor. Natty Morgan in a real life a bad man. Natty Morgan was back in the days was a Dan, was a era leader, was whatever you want to call him. That's who Natty Morgan was. So go and do your research on Natty Morgan. So you must say, yo, name Demarco alias Natty Morgan. So let's jump in one and hear where the G say. Don't shut the fire. Let's go.
In batty mouth sting from tunnel roll and lightning flash. When a push from with chop badness. Leland style, it's
Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure say wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_words_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I be just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video. So let's say, yo, in Batman's thing from God make him thunder rolling at the lightning flash and the thing and them done. Oh my gosh. That song that was big hit back in the day. I think that was early 2000 on the Applause rhythm. Lots of big songs on the rhythm. So somebody say, yo, in Batman's thing from them time because remember say at them time that we know Shano fall upon the scene with a track list. So let's go.
In batty mouth sting from tunnel roll and lightning flash. When a push from with chop badness. Leland style, it's facts. My jive.
Yo, hold on.
Batty mouth sting from tunnel roll and lightning flash. When a push from with chop badness. Leland.
We not push pram. No, with chuck badness. Get it? Play upon words there. Push pram of wheels, chuck of wheels, chuck badness, as in show badness by your art, you know? Play upon words, that's very smart. So Imagine say, yo, we not push pram with chuck badness.
In batty mouth sting from tunnel roll and lightning flash.
I'm breaking down.
Leland style, it's facts.
Leland style. Leland is a next truck. Is a name of a truck one back in the days. Leland. It's facts. So the boss will tell us, say, yo, listen.
My jive pass him dead already, body finding trash. The PUBG thing, no fully bad line him chat.
That was fully bad line for real. That was fully bad line. Fully bad did say Demarco I play a PUBG upon him phone and thinking bad. Something along the line of that. But fully bad did say something like that.
From chuck badness. Leland style, it's facts. My jive pass him dead already, body finding trash. The PUBG thing, no fully bad line him chat. And Natty Morgan Glock in her hand, clap it on the copy car, on the traffic now jam, pop it.
Yo, they really me bad.
Body finding trash. The PUBG thing, no fully bad line him chat. And Natty Morgan Glock in her hand, clap it on the copy car, on the traffic now jam, pop it off, matic blast, blam, splash him Morgan. Pussy you broke and I eat no food, that clutches ya yam.
Una hear what I'm saying? Me not have to repeat it. Una hear what I'm saying?
Jam, pop it off, matic blast, blam, splash him Morgan. Pussy you broke and I eat no food, that clutches ya yam. Bout him a reverse and back up neat, a faggot seat, what that beat the speaker till him feet a collapse, soon the beef a chabas.
But him a sneaky pass. Remember say in a Shano song, him say him basically my James Screechy and go up on the marker and go wet him up. Him a tell us say, yo, you idiot, but you James Screechy. Move from there. And him a say, yo, basically him a say your badness a comedy Shano, because you don't know Chabas. He mentioned Chabas name, and you know say Chabas is infamous for his comedy skits. So big up yourselves, Chabas. But Mark will tell Shano has to say, bro, listen to me. You are not a bad man, you're a comedy. You're a pure comedy. That's why I'm over here laughing. Don't do that.
Chat. And Natty Morgan Glock in her hand, clap it on the copy car, on the traffic now jam, pop it off, matic blast, blam, splash him Morgan. Pussy you broke and I eat no food, that clutches ya yam. Bout him a reverse and back up neat, a faggot seat, what that beat the speaker till him feet a collapse, soon the beef a chabas. Christian up on the field, a shot a squeeze the choppers. Crime lord we evil Jaffras, 9 ball we give him the coppers.
Crime Lord with Evil Jaffras. You don't know say Jaffras have a song when he Crime Lord. So I'm gonna tell you yo, Crime Lord with Evil Jaffras. So big up Jaffras. So yeah, Chavas got him shout out. Jaffras get a shout out to him in a positive way.
Baltimore reverse and back up neat. Fagot seat. What that beat the speaker till them feet a collapse. Soon be for Chavas. Christian up on the field a shot a squeeze the choppers. Crime Lord we evil Jaffras. 9 ball we give the coppers. Pussy me never send no man go on the motorbike. Me chauffeur drive. Still with the burner them like when the stove I like the proto.
Also we never send a man on the motorbike, brother. We chauffeur drive. We're not afraid. We chauffeur drive and forward on the ends and beat this.
Pussy me never send no man go on the motorbike. Me chauffeur drive. Still with the burner them like when the stove I like the.
Still with the burner them like when the stove I light burner. Pew 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 pew. Plus stove burner. We cook pan. Yeah, reference.
Coppers. Pussy me never send no man go on the motorbike. Me chauffeur drive. Still with the burner them like when the stove I like the prototype. Bag of stripe. Adidas when I go for night. A regular me coming a jar remote on me a choke your wife. On the motorbike, me chauffeur drive. Still with the burner them like when the stove I like the prototype. Bag of stripe, Adidas when I go for night. A regular
bag of stripe, Adidas when I move at night. I'm gonna tell you say yo, when I say him have a bag of stripe, like Adidas, cause you know when you have them say when you have stripe, well not them say when you have stripe on your shoulder, basically like in the army and stuff, you rank up. You see me, you're general. You see me, you're up.
Crime Lord we evil Jaffras. 9 ball we give the coppers. Pussy me never send no man go on the motorbike. Me chauffeur drive. Still with the burner them like when the stove I like the prototype. Bag of stripe, Adidas when I go for night. A regular me coming a jar remote on me a choke your wife.
A regular me coming a jar remote when me a choke your wife. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, no. Somebody's name get mentioned, no. Yes, no.
Bag of stripe, Adidas when I go for night. A regular me coming a jar remote on me a choke your wife. I hope all you go give your partner jar youth. And your granny still a see the streets a little money what a rass shoot. That's why
I hope you gonna give your partner jar my youth and your granny still a sweep the street. Basically, I tell you say yo. We hear Shane said in last song say something about Opal and partner jar. I say yo, Shane did say Opal couldn't wait forget some of him partner jar, which I did mention, but I can't remember the exact line. That's why you see me pause a while ago still and I laugh. But Marco I say yo, Opal, you really got to give your partner jar when you could have give to your grandmother. Because remember, say your grandmother still poor. Remember, say your grandmother still living in a condition where she's not supposed to be living in. That's what the G said, not me.
I hope all you go give your partner jar youth. And your granny still a see the streets a little money what a rass shoot. That's why your room dark youth. Your career now.
But I say, a fax him attack. Hey, and that's why your room still dark youth. So, she no big song. I'm alone in the dark room. Man say, that's why you, man say, a bad blessing and follow you. That's why your room dark.
When I go for night, a regular me coming a jar remote on me a choke your wife. I hope all you go give your partner jar youth. And your granny still a see the streets a little money what a rass shoot. That's why your room dark youth. Your career now shoot. Milk for share with which friend? Put it on mute. Watch out.
Me, you already know me want a milk share with me, I'm a friend. Man say put up on Ross mute.
That's why your room dark youth. Your career now shoot. Milk for share with which friend? Put it on mute. Watch your talk, shut a back. Laugh and not chat a laugh. Catch a park in a.
Big up lava, watch your talk. Lava no chat a laugh. Chat and laugh, lava sound, big up lava.
Put it on mute, watch your talk, shut a back. Laugh and not chat a laugh. Catch a park in a gauge war capital. What a sauce.
In a gauge war, capital, what a sauce. So, I tell you say you a gauge, a capital, write your song them in a you and gauge war. That war was a bad war. That war was a really, really good war. And I wasn't doing reaction at the time, so I didn't get to react to those songs. But yeah, that song, that war was a fucking war. So it must say you sir, remember say you a capital did write your song them in a young gauge war. So don't size up. That's what the G tell us here. So what a sauce.
Laugh and not chat a laugh. Catch a park in a gauge war capital. What a sauce. But in my lyrics is pussy that I falls. Them broke like you drop a vase. What a last clock.
Man say you broke. Man say them broke like you drop a vase. You know when you drop a vase, it's 9 out of 10 times it a go broke. If you not broke piece, it a go chip off. Is it?
But in my lyrics is pussy that I falls. Them broke like you drop a vase. What a last clock a blast that a flat a fast. They shot across and we dark like the back of class. They chop a last when we hit the word so hard, not a ras.
When say I laugh too much. We don't get the fact there.
Them broke like you drop a vase. What a last clock a blast that a flat a fast. They shot across and we dark like the back of class. They chop a last when we hit the word so hard, not a ras.
You see, SRR, not a ras. So you don't know, say him done put fee meaning to the abbreviation SOR already. Abbreviation, big words. That's me. Bumper clap, big words. Abbreviation. Yeah, always spell on the BR. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so I must say, yo, member say, yo, yo, that you there fuck man in the dog. The man put a meaning pan SOR, which is suck out Renee. So he must say, oh, not a ras.
Me talk like the back of class. The chopper laws when me hit the word so hard, not a ras. Me no listen when them beta speak. Favor thief, a grave a keep. Raise a beast and pray for peace. Your career.
Me no listen when beta speak. Favor thief, them grave a... In my chop.
Me no listen when them beta speak. Favor thief, a grave a keep. Raise a beast and pray for peace. Your career lighter than a...
Raise a beast and pray for peace?
Me no listen when them beta speak. Favor thief, a grave a keep. Raise a beast and pray for peace. Your career lighter than a paper leaf. Your fate a read. State.
Man say your career lighter than a paper... Jesus Christ.
Favor thief, a grave a keep. Raise a beast and pray for peace. Your career lighter than a paper leaf. Your fate a read. State to plead. 4 times your boss, I know we never see no great achievement.
Man say a 4 times your boss and all. No, we not see no great achievement. Remember say, you sing a song from, like me mentioned earlier on, Jamaica Town, that road that put you out in the world. You drop a couple songs and then you went quiet again. Then you drop which one him fall back with Got the song when they fall back with right now me and Milfish here with me and my friend them. There was a song before that when him drop as well. So that is what Marco is referring to. Like you get some big songs in a time gap, like it's a massive gap between your so him class it as a boss. So I must say you're a 4 time a boss and no, we're not seeing a great achievement. What you do?
A paper leaf, a paper read, state to plead. 4 time your boss, I know we never see no great achievements. From Command to Atlanta, clap on the black man, stop at on the top rank, a chat on my black answer. Not long will that stand for bad.
Wow, what this up?
4 time your boss, I know we never see no great achievements. From Command to Atlanta, clap on the black man, stop at on the top rank, a chat on my black answer. Not long will that stand for bad lamb cannot hamper. You know, see, say them a weak fence. A batty boy, I call man Papa B, I'm gonna shut a queer bullet and run up now, you flat up here.
A batty boy, I call man Papa Beer. Remember say him done, remember say Shano was saying want to Papa Beer upon him Instagram story, upon him live or whatever him go. I can't remember what this is exactly. Yo, people, me tired. I've been working in here from how long. I've been sorting out my stuff. Then I've been doing a lot of things. So he might tell you say yo, hold on.
Big fence, a batty boy, I call man Papa Beer.
Yeah, he must say yo, the batty man I call man Papa Beer, brother. I want to hear dog when I send some shut up in your cane rock. I remember you know say Shano have him see him. Style with the ear go up in the ear. So I say, yo, my said some shut up.
A bad lamb cannot hamper. You know, see, say them a weak fence. A batty boy, I call man Papa B. I'm gonna shut a queer bullet and run up now, you flat up here. Not a fear, not the chopper to the body, chop a square. Strap up here, mar up on the ground, watch him a tap a steer.
Mar up on the ground, watch him a tap a steer. People are walk on a pass and I look on a steer. So I must say so. Song done. Right. Solid. Some solid counteraction as well. Marco with Marco style and lyrics chopping out, especially in the second verse. Lyrics chop. Him went in, bro. Like him went in. If me miss any crucial part of the song, let me know. Leave in the comment section, please. Like I said, I am tired. I've been working from last night. Finished 6 o'clock this morning. We're just inside the whole heap of work, and then me get up in the morning. Do me I do and then forward back in so me still I do some work, you see me? So as you can see you can't see it properly, but the place is a mess. But everything go and be alright soon. Let me know what you guys think about the song though. Let me know if you guys rate the song. Who wanna think about the song? I think the song bad. I think the song fucking bad. I think the song bad. Yeah. What you guys think? Or win the war? Or for side on the depan like Wagwan, Dancer John Wick or Shano. Wagwan. What we say? What we say? You see me? Alright, this time I'm gonna say if you enjoyed the one and want to see more, leave a like. Subscribe around there if you're new, man, because I know if I want to watch and don't subscribe. That I mean, no, you can just help me out. Please, me beg you, just help me out. Like December now, just help me out, please. Me beg you, yeah. Shano, your time. Let's go.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.